Hi, I'd like to show you how to use Respondus with Blackboard 9.1, the October release. First, I started Respondus, which I downloaded and installed as part of the campus program. I need to open a questions file. One is provided default with the installation called World History, so we'll go ahead and use that. Once I've opened the file, I can go to Preview and Publish. So we'll go ahead and select the Publish to Blackboard tab on the left, and then Publish Wizard. I have no service configured at this point, so I'll go ahead and say Add New Server. And the university has a profile already created, so I can just say yes, check for pre-configured server settings. We'll say Next. I will go ahead and call this my BB, provide my username and password, and save this for later use. So these are my credentials, of course, to Blackboard. We'll run the connection test as well. So let's say Next. This connection test will be performed only once. From here, when you upload your assessment questions, you will not be prompted for it. This looks great. We'll press Next. Now let's preview our default configuration. The server is here. The login type is JSP1 / for login page. And you can, of course, pre-configure this by hand or modify your configuration. One more piece of information that's important to us, and I'll cancel this for a moment, is the version of the software. So if I was to go to Help about Respondus, I downloaded the latest version, which is 405.12. And so please make sure that that's the version you're running. If you run a previous version, then simply go to Help and then check for update, and this is going to bring you to the current release. So let's go back to the Publish Wizard. Now that we have the server pre-configured, we can say Next. Respondus is logging into Blackboard. That's going to check a list of my courses and prompt me in just a moment. I can now drop down the course list, and I can see the courses where I can publish my questions. Now, one thing to check is that in Blackboard, when using campus community or campus engagement, that we are using the default course list module somewhere in the first tab. So it can be somewhere at the bottom, but Respondus is going to look for this module when loading the list of courses and then the list of organizations. So both are needed. I hope this was helpful, and thank you.